All right, so basically, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about myself, and then I'm gonna go to cutting hair. If that's cool with everybody.
That's cool. That's cool.
All right, how many of you guys in here do not know who I am? Yes, I got one. I got one, right?
Okay, you can leave.
Just go on Instagram and follow me, and then go on YouTube and then hit that subscribe button. You know what I mean? If you like the cut, please give it a thumbs up, you know? All right? If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm out. I'm out.
All the way from California.
So before I started this comb over, I needed to identify which side I wanted to part it in. And, you know, I was taking a look at his crown, and, you know, his crown swirl grows, you know, right to left. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm parting it right to left because his hair swirls that way. It's easier for the comb over to move from right to left. So that's why I'm parting it this way. So using clipper over comb technique, I'm just gonna, you know, take off a lot of bulk on the sides. I'm still kind of leaving some bulk at the top, but at the bottom, I'm making sure I get all that weight off. So next step you want to take is creating your bald line, and I'm using my Endless Slimline Pro Li. I'm not going to set like the bald line in a contour way. I'm just going to kind of drop it a little bit back of the hook in the back of my client's head and just run it straight. Next, I'm using my Endless BGRCs to remove the rest of the bulk. So using my cordless wall seniors with my one guard open, I'm going to remove a lot of the bulk on top, and I'm just going to run it straight up. Now I want, you know, a little bit of hair to hang over. So I'm going to use my comb and just, you know, use that as a guideline on how far I want to go up. Now that we removed the bulk, we got a good clear canvas. I'm using my lever open and I'm going up about 1 inch. Now I know we used the 1 guard already, but I'm still gonna use the same steps. I'm still gonna go through the same routine, and you never know, it may cut off some hairs that I missed. So I'm still going up about 1 inch all the way around. Now with the 2 guard open, I'm just running that clipper straight up as if this, I'm basically visualizing this as a high top. So I'm just running that clipper straight up. So with my 0 guard close, using my Oster's fast feeds in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line. Now the reason why I'm using my fast feeds is because I feel that these are, it's a slower motor, so you're not gonna cut off too much at one time. And for me, it's easier to blend with these clippers. So putting back on my 1 guard open, I'm flicking out that bulk at the top. I'm just basically doing detail work, going back over my work. I see some bulk at the top, so I'm just attacking it in a flick out motion. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Make sure you guys start from the bottom of the line and flick to the line. Do not go up past the line. And if you do, make sure you adjust your lever as you go up. So my fast feed wasn't able to take out that bottom line 100%, so I'm going back over it with my wall cordless seniors with the lever closed. with my Bronze Series 9, all I'm doing is creating another transition at the bottom, making it razor bald. So right now I'm going to take my duck clips off. I'm going to saturate my client's hair with water. I'm going to section off the hair, bringing the bangs down, and basically doing some shear work. I'm going to start in the front, and I'm going to take off about a good 2 inches, and I'm going to use that as a traveling guide, working my way back.
HustleDreamProduction.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to know where you could get any tools that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.